camping weekend has officially commenced.
That's right. Sorry I started unpacking without you.
That's okay. I've got the rough job of filming everything, so.
We've got the important part. We've got coffee and Jim Beam.
And a horrendous glare.
Sorry. We're not going to drink them at the same time. And Cheez-Its.
And Cheez-Its. Always Cheez-Its. All right, wow. Oh my gosh. That's so bad. All right, hi. Welcome back to another vlog, you guys. We are camping this weekend. Say hello to Tina. Tina's back there somewhere.
I'm swimming.
There she is. She is enjoying a nice cup of coffee while we just arrived at Spring Gulch campground in New Holland, Pennsylvania. And we are, or I should say Kenny is mostly unpacking everything that we have right now. We are doing a little camping weekend with our friends and doing some line dancing. It's boot scooting weekend here at the campground, and yeah, I'm excited for the sun to go down so I can actually like walk around and not feel blinded. But we just have to set up our tent and like all the rest of our stuff, and we'll kind of show you around, and we're gonna have some fun. Yeah, it's gonna be a good time, so come along with us. All right, while we wait for our other friends to arrive, let's just kind of show you our setup a little bit here. This is Tina's setup. She's got her coffee she's got right now. And, okay, so this is our stuff. We've got a cooler full of a bunch of goodies. Breakfast for tomorrow morning. Some Prosecco, the essentials. Cutlery, of course. Costco, thank you.
We were gonna wait till we saw what they were gonna do, and
we also have French press for coffee. That's very important. Battery setup.
I'm ready for Jim Beam.
We've got some wine. Some Jim Beam.
Got some toilet paper. So, yeah.
And I believe they've just arrived.
Settled in for a...
Let's get set up. All right. Tent attempt number 1. How's it going so far?
I mean, I laid it out. So, I mean, I feel like that's a start.
Accessories.
So,
you don't actually want help, do you?
I mean, not at the moment, because I don't really know what the hell I'm doing. So it's gonna be hard for me to ask for help.
All right, you just keep me abreast of the situation, okay?
You keep your breast in the situation.
Oh my gosh.
And
I'm gonna pour some bourbon.
Please.
How are we feeling about the setup so far?
It's okay. I'm just getting everything. Like, the ground. Well, first, we've had no rain whatsoever, and the ground is really, really hard, so we can't get the tent stakes in. And I didn't bring a hammer like I wanted to. So.
Okay.
Anyway.
All right. Well, here is the tent Kenny has been telling me I'm going to absolutely love. So this is a queen size air mattress. This tent holds 6 people, can hold 2 queen mattresses, and you can stand up in the center of it. Thanks, Craig, for the use of your battery pack to blow this thing up.
Yeah, that's important. Yeah. Although Tina did point out that we do have some power back there.
Yeah.
So, I don't know that I have enough extension cord to get to the tent, but we do have some power if we need it.
Nice. Okay. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to wrap up this setup thing going on. We'll do a little tent tour tomorrow. Yeah. And because we are getting ready to go line dancing. So it's beautiful out here. Because this is our like front yard, so that's super cool.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
So there's a little island there. I don't know that we can get to.
Little island. There's a little beach.
Yeah.
Right there. You can see that. And yeah, so we're gonna get everything, the rest of it set up. We gotta get going because line dancing starts soon. And we'll do a tour tomorrow.
Yeah.
Good night, you guys.
Night.
We'll see you in the morning. What's up, you guys? Nell from the future here. We just actually got home from a little bit of a weekend away, and I have had 0 time to do any grocery shopping whatsoever. So I am super excited to tell you about our partnership with Thrive Market. I've been using Thrive Market for literally years, and it is so easy to order groceries. They get sent home here and I arrive home and they are waiting on my doorstep. So let me tell you a little bit more about them. So I happen to be following a very clean diet. So that means that we get products like Banza or Banza, however you say it, for chickpea pasta instead of regular pasta for during the week. And we also I make a lot of things from scratch. So I use things like tomato paste and organic or bonzo beans. So that might not be exciting for you, but it's exciting for me. But you can follow anything from Whole30 to keto to paleo. They literally have products for everything. So if you're interested in checking out Thrive Market for your own groceries, check out the link in the description below and get 30% off your first order plus a free gift worth up to $60. Or you can check out the QR code here, scan that on the screen, and you will also get 30% off your first order plus a free gift worth up to $60. It's a no-brainer. So sign up, check it out, and love it just like we do. And thanks to Thrive Market for supporting our channel. Now, back to the video. Knock, knock. I have a camera.
You have a camera?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me put my clothes on.
We have to do a little tent tour.
Welcome.
All right, it is officially the next day, you guys. We survived night 1 of camping.
I put my underwear away.
Okay, so here's the inside of our tent. It's super tall. Yeah. There's like a little gear shelf up there.
Yeah, for the most part, you can stand in the whole thing, and I'm like, what, 5'7" or something? So you're supposed to be able to stand in the peak if you're 6 foot tall, so. Yeah, and so here's our air mattress. Yeah. Our sleeping quarters.
It continues to lose air, so we're not really sure why.
And it's brand new, so.
And then here's our stuff.
Yeah, so we got my recommendation for a tent is if you're 2 people and you're looking at a 4-person tent, buy a 6-person tent because it gives you all this extra room for like your bags and just your crap if you don't want to leave them like sit outside. So yeah. That's what I would say. So this is a queen size air mattress. Perfect. There's a net that came with it that hangs from these 4 hooks, and they call it like a gear net. So you can like just like put some stuff up here so you have a little bit extra storage. All right, we are getting ready to go on a little hike. Sorry for my appearance. Up to the pool. There's like a pool and a hot tub here at this campground. So this is our site. We put up some easy ups this morning because it started to rain. I have a little bit of a cold, so that's why I sound like this. And we've had a fire. We had some breakfast, sausage, eggs, pancakes, the whole 9 yards. Mimosa. So good. So we're gonna head up there and then we'll catch up with you guys later. Look at this loveliness we have going on. How are we doing over there? What are you doing?
What'd you say?
You, what's going on here?
I am skewering some vegetables that we have marinated in melted bacon fat, salt and pepper, and bourbon.
That sounds all right.
Right? All right. On to the fire. So good. I got it.
So we're out here Saturday afternoon just chilling, having a couple drinks, making some food. Just, yeah, nothing really going on. Just relaxing. Not really off-grid, but trying to be off-grid a little bit, you know, while we film for YouTube. But anyway, check out this lake, guys. We're right by. More like a little pond, but I don't know what you want to say. You got a little beach over there. But I know there's some fish in here that they were just looking for. Little fountain going on. The fountain glows at night, kind of goes the whole time, so it's cool. And just gonna pan over. We're literally right here next to it, so these are our tents. You got 3 people on this site. It's a nice big site. There's water, electric. It's cool. How's it going there, Chef?
This is a secret recipe. Very near and dear to my heart. That I can't share with you because I don't actually know what it is. This is a camp version of chilaquiles that Chef Christina has made for us.
So graciously,
Cheeseless chilaquiles.
cheeseless.
We're doing dairy free today.
She's getting teary-eyed just thinking about eating it.
This smoke is so bad. We're doing an official review. I've stopped crying now.
Doesn't look like it. What are we thinking? Does it taste as good as it looks?
Oh yeah. Mmm. Expletive. Yes.
Compliments to the chef.
This turned out good. I'm not the chef. They cooked while I was in the shower.
Nice work.
There you go. It was a great idea. All right, you guys. We have literally just made it home from our camping weekend. And we had an amazing time. I just think that one thing is for sure. I need to take a shower.
Yeah, and we need to figure out, I don't remember in the vlog if we mentioned anything about the air mattress situation.
I don't think we did.
So we have a queen Intech air mattress, and it's big. And but it's the first time we've ever used it. We've had it for like 10 months, but it's the first time we ever used it, and it wouldn't hold air. So we had to pump the thing up like twice in the middle of the night. So we need to get that figured out before we do this again.
Yeah, I'm really excited to like sleep in our bed.
Yeah, and one that's not like losing air and like funneling us together. But anyway, so I think we're gonna wrap this one up here. It was awesome.
I know it was short.
Yeah, it was an awesome adventure though.
So yeah, I know it was a short but sweet one, but thanks for coming along on this adventure. We'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.
Smash that subscribe button.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Step 6, quarter 7, hook 8, step 1, lock 2, step 3, sweep 4, jets 5, 6, 7, cross 8, side, 1, together 2, back 3, cut 4, together 6, forward 7, brush 8, up 1, 2, 3, 4, step 5, quarter 6, cross 7, 8, facing on the left, be ready.